So far, we have only talked about public and private members. But in C++, we have another access modifier called protected. Let's see how that works. So here I'm going to add a new section called protected. And in this section, I'm going to add an attribute called with. Now, protected members are similar to private members in the sense that they're only accessible within a class, but not from the outside. So if you create a widget object, we'll not be able to access the with or the enabled attributes. Let's verify this. So back to the main file, let's include the widget header file. Now here we create a widget object. Widget. Now if we use the dot operator, look, we don't see our protected and private members. So they're only accessible within a class. So what is the difference between these members? Well, protected members are accessible within derived classes, but private members are not. So if we go to our textbox class in the implementation file, here we can access the with attribute because this is protected. So let me add a comment here. So protected members are accessible, but we cannot access the enabled attribute. So private members are not accessible in derived classes. That is the difference. So that was the theory, but when should you use which? Well, practically speaking, you should prefer to use private members. So by default, you should make your attributes private. Declare them as protected only if you need to access them within a derived class. Otherwise, stay away from protected members.